Ero komachielo bende en jatend duond buch siasa mar ODM migosi kata Dr. Oburu Oginga ogolo duonde e wach mar chudo mar oganda mabende noyudo midhiero mag lwenje mag siasa mosekalo kod mabende noyudo jogegi e kind mabende jopiny ne timo ng'anyo koni koda kocha. Oburu ka wach makamano olero ni keto pingo kata keto sewi wacho nogo ken gino makare. Kamawacho no oganda duto mabende noyudo midhiero makamago koro ni nyaka chul kwach ni mane jo kende minyalo konyogi godo maonge yo moro amora. Jatelo no wuoch makamani kutoka koda wach ma chudo moro mabende koro sirikal noketo tenge moro bilion 2 mabende koro ibiro chulo godo oganda mopogore ma nowito jogegi to kod mago manohiny e kind mane jopiny timo ng'anyo e rakruok manobedo e kinde kanyo kod obila ma pacho kanyo kutoka koda lwenje mago mag siasa.
We believe that the process of compensating the victims is a very, very noble recognition of the suffering of people. If you realized the list of names, if some of you have seen it, it is mainly people from this region who suffered, who bore the brunt of the political violence. These families are not rich families. They are some of the most, they are lower ebb of our society. They are at the lower ebb of the society, and they should be allowed to enjoy. When you according to you, you think that 1 million shillings is a peanut, but to somebody living in the village, 1 million shillings is not peanuts. Perhaps in one's life, there are very few people who own 1 million shillings at a go, and you say that this is my 1 million shillings, which I have to decide what to do with. For you, you do it, maybe you have it every day. So let those who are suffering, those who have sacrificed for the justice and independence of our country, freedom, get some little token, whatever it is, even if it is just sorry, saying sorry, whatever it is, let them receive it. For you to whom that is nothing, and you are telling them instead to pursue justice. How does a person in the village pursue justice? It is you to pursue that justice for him or her, represent them. But for them, you must allow them to receive, because this is part of the justice. The next justice is to condemn the victims, the perpetrators of these crimes. And some of them have been taken to court. Those who have not been taken, let them be taken. That is the justice you are pursuing. But how can you prevent a beneficiary to take up their benefits just because you are saying the alternative for them is justice, which is elusive, which they don't see? Because if the government was not listening, we would not have achieved this feat of paying even this token. But we are not saying that they are so good. What we are saying is that at least they have listened, and we are going to sukuma more so that they can listen more and compensate more, and we go down that level. Because you only demonstrate when somebody is not listening. But when somebody is listening, why do you demonstrate? When